Hi everybody, this is a short introductory video for ES 2120 Dynamics for the spring 2021 semester. Now this semester is a little unusual. There are 2 students who are finishing up incompletes from the fall and 1 student who is taking this course as an independent study. So I'm going to be writing a schedule for this class that would correspond to finishing the course over the 16-week period, which is when the deadline for the incompletes will expire. So the schedule that I write is effective for you whether you're doing an independent study or whether you are doing an incomplete. Now, the first thing I want to show you is that over here on your landing page, on your my.nwc.edu student portal, underneath the Moodle logo, you may have the tab for this class. Now, I've only got the one for the independent study, so if you don't have it right here, what you need to do next is to just click on the Moodle icon, and then under the Moodle icon, other courses that you have or have taken will come up. So for example, if you don't have the 20 Fall Dynamics course on your splash page or on your landing page, you will be able to access it by clicking the Moodle icon and then clicking this course in that location, and it will come up the same as it did for the others. Now, whichever way you access your course, I'm going to just show you a little bit about how to do this. The first thing is the syllabus is available to you here, so take a look if you have any questions. The grading schema and the process for getting through this course successfully is the same as it has been for other courses in the past. So you will have a homework assignment due through Moodle at the end of each chapter. Then you will have a quiz after you've completed the first 2 chapters, a midterm after you've completed the first 4 chapters, another quiz when you've completed 2 more chapters, and then the final exam. So the midterm and the final are each worth 40% of your grade, the homework is worth 10% of your grade, and the 2 quizzes combine for the remaining 10% of your grade. Now, the homework template is shown here. This is similar to other classes that you've had from me. It just shows the process of how I want your homework to look, and that is to prepare you for upper division classes so that your upper division instructors will be able to give you excellent grades on your homeworks, quizzes, and exam, as well as what we're doing in this class. Now, the process is to watch the videos. So, for example, this Lecture 1 introductory material talks about the first part of dynamics, and sort of goes through this process in detail. So it may have date stamps on it. It may be oriented toward the fall of 2020, but the material is still the same. This tab right here where it says introductory video, you'll see that I'll replace it with introductory video for spring of 2021, and that is this video. So if you're listening to me now, whether you are doing that through email or through the website, you don't have to do both. Now, the first part of the material, which is chapter 11, oddly enough, is Kinematics of Particles. So the first thing I want you to see is that on your webpage, I've put up the PDF files for that textbook for chapter 11. Now, copyright law will prevent me from doing that for all of the chapters, but this is so that you can get started if you don't have the textbook. If you need a copy of the textbook to borrow from me, I do have one because a student who borrowed it from me last semester returned it to me. So please let me know if you'd like to borrow my textbook. Aside from that, you've got the material here. You've got the lectures that cover chapter 11. You've got notes that will help you get through the material. And then right here is the submit button for the homework for chapter 11. And you'll see that all 3 problem sets are shown here, and you'll submit all of these together using engineering composition paper and doing the problems according to the homework template. Now, when you're done and you submit for Chapter 11, then I will post for Chapter 12. Right now, this is hidden from you because I don't have the dates or anything correctly set. But if you get to the point where you need to see this, let me know, and otherwise I will get to it probably next week. I'll make sure that everything's available. But the basic thing is to watch all the lectures, which are the links. Everything is available on YouTube, so that even if our system goes down, you'll be able to see the lectures. The textbook is available to you, the notes to help you, then submit that homework assignment by the due date. The last thing I want to tell you is about the due date. I'm not going to be terribly rigid, but that's the due date that's going to allow you to complete this material during the course of the semester without incident. So stick to it as closely as you can. The final thing is our class does not have any built-in Zoom or face-to-face time, but I am planning to structure some time where I'll have a couple of recitations that will be optional to you. You do not have to come, but if you wish to come, I'll have a Zoom meeting, maybe 1 hour a week, and a face-to-face meeting, maybe 1 hour a week, where you can come and ask me questions and just generally work on anything that you need a little bit of help with. So if you stay tuned for that message. So in the meantime, you've got Chapter 11, you've got your homework assignment, you've got the introductory video. You should be able to get started. As always, I'm available to help you almost all of the time. So if you need to get a hold of me, either email me at astrid.northrup@nwc.edu or text me on my cell phone at 307-272-1833. Calling my office phone is not very efficient, but if you either text my cell or email me, I will get back to you really quickly. All right, everybody, have a great day. Looking forward to doing some dynamics with you, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.